Hello friends, I Nikita Jain will tell you about malaria. Malaria it is a mosquito-borne infectious disease that affects humans and the animals, spread by an infected female Anopheles mosquito. What causes malaria? We have heard mosquito bites are the root causes of malaria. So are mosquitoes responsible for this infection? No. You will be surprised to know that mosquitoes do not cause malaria but just spread it. The actual causative agent of malaria it is the protozoa called Plasmodium. Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariae and Plasmodium falciparum are the few species of Plasmodium that causes malaria in the humans. Among this, Plasmodium falciparum it is the most violent and the life-threatening. Well, the protozoa Plasmodium lives as a parasite in the female Anopheles mosquito. From there, it gets transmitted to humans with a mosquito bite. Hence, it is the infected mosquito bite which can cause malaria and not the insect itself. Thus, the complete life cycle of malaria involves two hosts. The first one is the female Anopheles mosquito, and the second one is the human. Let us understand the complete life cycle of malarial parasite. It all begins when an infected mosquito bites a human. This helps transfer the malarial parasite in a human body. It is with the salivary secretion of the Anopheles mosquito that the parasite get a chance to enter the human body. The disease-causing plasmodium get transferred from mosquitoes to human in the form of sporozoites. At this particular stage, they are capable to cause an infection in the human body. Once they enter the bloodstream of the human, they eventually reach their target, that is the liver. Here they attack the liver cells and stay inside them for quite a long time. After that, they release themselves back into bloodstream by bursting out the liver cells. The form in which they are released into the bloodstream is known as merozoites. These merozoites now target the red blood cells. Now, in the RBCs, the merozoites develop into tropozoites. Tropozoites has two fates. Most of the tropozoites begin with the asexual cycle to give rise to new merozoite, and these occur exponentially. The number of merozoites produced is too large for the RBCs to contain, hence they are released out with the bursting of the RBCs. The other fate of tropozoite is entering the sexual cycle. With this, the tropozoite give rise to two different gametocytes. When a non-infected mosquito approaches the infected human for blood meal, then this gametocyte quickly passes into the mosquito body with the sucked blood. Now here in the mosquito body, both male and female gametocyte, which are like germ cell, fuse to form a zygote. That is, fertilization of this gametocyte results in the formation and development of zygote in the mosquito gut. From here, a structure called oocyst, which crosses the gut wall, reaches the salivary gland. Here, the oocyst releases the sporozoite, which are the mature infective forms of the parasite, ready to infect a new healthy individual with the next blood meal, and the whole cycle is thus get repeated. Epidemiology of malaria. Malaria is widely distributed in the tropical and subtropical sub-Sahara Africa, Asia and America. It contributes to 10 to 30% mortality. Half of the world population is at risk of malaria. Malaria affects 400 million people worldwide and causes 2 million deaths each year. Let us understand the ABCD of malaria. A for awareness, recognizing the malaria. Sign and symptoms it include fever, night sweats, chills, headache, muscular pain, nausea and vomiting. Anemia may also occur. Splenomegaly, that is destroy of RBC, may also occur in severe cases. B. Prevention of malaria. It can be done by indoor spraying with residual insecticide, use of mosquito net. Personal protection, health education can also be promoted. C. Chemoprophylaxis, use of preventive medication. The type of drug and the length of treatment will vary depending upon prevalence and type of malaria resistance, intensity of mosquito contact, age and state of health. Commonly used antimalarial drugs are chloroquine, quinine sulfate, hydroxychloroquine. Combination therapy is suggested nowadays. D for diagnosis. Symptoms may arise 1 week or more after entering a malaria risk area, so immediate treatment is essential. Common methods of diagnosis of malaria: blood test, rapid diagnostic test for detecting antigens, and light microscopy are used.